All right, I was asked how I make my pizza. Here you go. Most pizzas cost about what, 12, 15 bucks, sometimes 18 bucks at like Domino's or Papa John's. But I got a homemade pizza that you can make for like 4 bucks a pie, and it's just as good, if not better. So here you go. All right, first off, here's what the pies look like after you get done making it. What I do is go to the dollar store, get yourself some pizza thin crust. It's like a buck. It's $1.25 per thin crust. So these are awesome. Then go to Walmart, get you some pepperoni, the Armour cheap kind. This is most important, cheese. It's got to be the Sargento whole milk, shredded whole milk, low moisture, mozzarella and provolone. But make sure you get yourself, it's got to say whole milk, low moisture for it to work. Then I always go to like the sausage section, get you some Jimmy Dean sausage crumbles and bacon crumbles. You get a meat pie, man. Most important, this is the best. I found sauce out there. It's the Rao's homemade pizza sauce. It's awesome. All right, so then basically 1 jar of these makes 2 pies. So you can put half of the jar here, half the jar here. Throw some pepperoni on there, some of that crumble, and then throw some cheese, and then finish it with some Italian seasoning. You throw it in the oven at 500 degrees for 10 minutes. It is money. Go check it out, man. It's like 4 bucks a pie, and it's delicious. Go do it. And here you go. Perfectly beautiful looking, delicious pizzas. Go try it.